Good afternoon and welcome to the easy entertaining edition of 3-Ingredient Thursday. The reason why I wanted to help you out with some easy entertaining is because I feel like we're at that time of year where we're going to be getting invitations to go to people's homes or perhaps have people over to yours. And I know sometimes we always ask, what can I bring? And they go, oh, just something easy like an appetizer. And I look like deer in the headlights because I feel like all the appetizers have been done already. But I'm going to help you out not only on this edition of 3-Ingredient Thursday, but perhaps some as we're moving forward. The reason I do like to bring appetizers to the parties sometimes is because then I always know there's going to be something, a healthy option the way I like to eat, which is low carb, mostly gluten-free, and high protein. If you bring something to the party where you if you have food sensitivities or specific dietary requirements you're trying to meet, when you bring something, you're always guaranteeing there's going to be a real helpful option for you to grab. Today what I'm making is this super fancy Ahi Poke in a martini glass. And what I love about this is it looks so complicated but so pretty. And honestly, the only truth to that is that it's pretty. This is one of the easiest dishes you can have to bring to your party, or it looks beautifully displayed when you're having people over. I'm going to show you how I put this one together today and then also give you a few kind of exciting creative alternatives to this. So the first thing obviously is Ahi Poke, and that is on the bottom of the martini glass. I found this at Nugget. I know that at Safeway, Costco, and even some cities have great poke bars that you can go to and actually just order it by the pound. Secondly, what I did was I drizzled some sriracha mayo on top just to give it some vibrant color, and I like the smooth texture that it helps add, and it gives it just a little bit of a different kick. The third ingredient today is some sliced avocado. This one has 3 beautiful slices just arranged on top, and of course some chopsticks, again just to give it that little extra flair. It looks like you went to a lot of time, trouble, thought, and effort when really I explained this in about 3 minutes, if that, and you're going to be able to assemble it in no time at all. Secondly, I want to give you a couple of different options. There's some things you can put on the bottom of the ahi. I've done it with shelled edamame on the bottom. You could also use some shredded lettuce or shredded kale. Instead of avocado, or in addition to avocado, if you're not afraid of a fourth ingredient or some carbohydrates, I love when you can put a triangular shaped chip on top, and it also helps people not only give them a little crunch and texture, but you can also use it as a scoop to make sure you get all that ahi. And the crunch of the chip and the soft texture of the top of the ahi are just a beautiful combination. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet beautiful, decadent, easy, entertaining offering on this 3-Ingredient Thursday. That's a mouthful, but I'll see you next week.